You know what? I'm gonna show you how I cook up some dark orchestra shit. We gonna jump right into the dough. BPM is gonna be 120. As far as sound selection, all this stuff that I'm using, it's for free. I kind of just picked out some sounds because I mean, orchestra shit is orchestra shit, you know what I mean? So, of course, you know, I'm using the free contact player. This is the free orchestra by this company, Project Sam. You see, you know, you got some good sounds. You got the strings, same company, orchestra. Got some organs. This is actually something different. This is a BBC orchestra. It's also free. You know, I'm using that for the bass horns, and I'm using a decent sampler. This is also free, which is a free choir. And you know, got a little lead. I might add some more stuff later, but right now that's all I got. So, all right, let's start with the strings. All right, let's. Doing. Alright. Let's do. Uh-oh. Hit that with that. See what the end sound like. Alright, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's go to this bass horn right here from BBC Orchestra. I'm gonna go hit this like every other one, and we gonna go down some octave. Matter of fact, let's drop it down some. Really, a lot of this is really sound selection. I want some superhero type sound and shit, you know what I mean? So now we gonna hit it. Okay. Just like I say, a lot of this is really about sound selection. You know what I mean? Gotta have good sounds to make good orchestral beats, and I'm not really going to add tons of complicated stuff. At least I don't plan to. We just gonna add a little simple pattern. We're gonna start with this A. Let's see. Sometimes humming will really help you out. Having a keyboard will too. See what that sound like. Yeah. There we go. Nice. just gonna add her all through here. Then just kind of pick random notes, I guess. Alright. We'll do something with that. We definitely gonna turn it down. Pretty darn neat. Let's see, we gonna stretch these out. Let's make a quarter backwards. Let's see what that sounds like. Now we gonna throw a little mix on these. There's a lot of stuff going on. Let's turn everything down. The reason why I'm gonna turn everything down is I don't know what I want to be the main thing yet. Of course the string's probably gonna stick out. We gonna get an EQ. I'll go to this setting and pretty much cut out, you know, the frequencies I don't want. Not right there. Let me turn this metronome off before it drives us crazy. We're gonna throw, what is it called? Portal on here. I know people say it's overused, but it's overused for a reason, you know what I mean? That's pretty much it for that part. Now we just gonna add some drums. I ain't really gonna get into how to program the drums. I'm just gonna, you know, come back with the finished beat. So I'll see you in a few. Alright, I'm finished with this. I was gonna add a snare roll or something, but you know, simple is best sometimes. You know, I really like how this joint came out. You know, put my tag in there, of course. And we just gonna, you know, play a little bit of it. I also added that piano in, Steinway D. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my favorites. This the pattern that I came up with. I kind of just arpeggiated it in there. So now let's play the full beat.
This sounds like money.
Alright, that's it for the beat. And if you made it this far, you know, like, comment, and subscribe. You know, check out some of my videos. I'm working on a kit. I'm gonna have some stuff in there like this loop. So, you know, holla at me.